3, 2, 1. Hi, welcome to our show.
My name is Arisa, 10 years old.
My name is Kanreki Papa, 57 years old, he's 60. Let's sing our song.
Kanreki Papa no Arisa channel.
Who's Tuesday of every month?
Kanreki Papa and funny Arisa show.
Toast.
Attack. Ladies and gentlemen, now present to you, Balloon Challenge Show.
This time we'll be doing the balloon challenge.
Who?
Arisa and Dad.
I'm very worried.
Toss a balloon 10 times without dropping it.
Very easy.
Let's give a try. Balloon.
1. Start. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. Clear!
Very easy.
I agree. Next time, 2 balloons.
Okay, let's do our best. Balloon. 1,
2,
3, 2, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear!
We did it!
Okay, next 3 balloons.
What? Balloon. 1,
2,
3, 3, 2, 1,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We did it!
Okay, next 4 balloons.
Impossible.
If you give up, the game is over.
In Japanese,
諦めたらそこで試合終了ですよ。
I want to play the balloon game.
In Japanese.
私はバルーンゲームでやりたいです。Let's do our best! バルーン 1,
2,
3,
4,
3, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. One more.
One more.
Difficult. Okay.
3, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Difficult.
One more.
Okay. Okay. Arisa, next time kick okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Whole body is very difficult. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God. Next time. Very difficult. Arisa, hi.
You too.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are Husband clear.
One more time.
It's impossible.
5.
It's impossible.
If you give up, it's the game over.
In Japanese.
諦めたらそこで試合終了ですよ。
Okay, 5 balloon.
Let's do our best!
バルーン
One,
2
three,
4
five,
Okay, 5 balloon.
3, 2, 1,
1 2 3 4
5, 6, 7.
One more. はいはいはい。One, two, three. ラストチャレンジ。はいはい。OK。ラストチャレンジ。はいはい。
3, 2, 1,
1 2 3 4 5。Next last chance. 1 2 3 4 5 6 You stay here. Arisa challenge one person. 3 2 1 1 2 3 Okay. We are very tired.
3, 2, 1.
1 2 3 4 5 6 Next, last challenge.
Okay. Three.
Arisa, final challenge. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
1 2 3 4 Arisa?
Dad, it's also important to give up in life.
In Japanese.
人生諦めも大切。
Arisa?
Dad. にらめっこしましょう。笑うとも今日アップ。Thank you. When was your glory days? For Arisa is now. 還暦パパのアリサチャンネル。